Good morning, class 9. We have already finished chapter 23 in our previous class. So today we will start new chapter. Chapter name is Simple 2D Problems Involving Right Triangle. So this is the last chapter of trigonometry and exercise 22. So in this chapter, you need the concept of first and second chapter. First chapter, like the formula of sine, some people have curly brown hair, turns permanently black. Those formulas. Sine is some perpendicular by hypotenuse, tan is perpendicular by base. Those formula. And second chapter where we have used some values, values of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So we need those values. So this is the combination. We can say it is the combination of first two chapters. So exercise 22, question number 1. In each of the following figures, find the unknown length x. So in this question, one diagram is given. This diagram. From this diagram, you have to find the value of x. So this is right angle triangle, and I have already told the side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. And this is theta, the value of theta. That means this is base, this is perpendicular. So this is perpendicular, this is base. So in this diagram, perpendicular is given and base is asked in the question. You have to find the value of x. So perpendicular BC is given 20 meter and base AB is given x. So, and theta, the value angle is given, the value of theta is given 30 degree. You have to find the value of x. So here we will use turns permanently black because perpendicular is given, base we have to find. So we have to use tan 30 degree. Why we are using tan? Because tan will relate perpendicular and base. So and the value of theta is 30. So tan 30 you have to use, and the value of tan 30 is tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So in place of tan 30 you will write 1 by root 3. Turns permanently black. Now the value of perpendicular is 20 and the base is x. So 20 divided by x is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Now cross multiplication. 20 into root 3. 20 root 3 is equal to x into 1x. So the value of x is 20 root 3 meter. Next, question number 2. Again, this diagram is given. Perpendicular is unknown here. You have to find the value of perpendicular. This is hypotenuse and this is base. Because here is theta, so this will be base. So base is given, perpendicular is asked in the question, theta is given. So again we will use turns permanently black. Tan we will use. First you write perpendicular is given, x, base is perpendicular is asked, x, base is 10 root 3 meter, angle theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree you have to use. Now the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So in place of tan 60 you will write root 3. Turns permanently black. Perpendicular is x, base is 10 root 3 is equal to root 3. Now cross multiplication. You can add here 1. So x into 1x is equal to 10 root 3 into root 3. So 10 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 10 3 is 30 meter. So the value of x is 30 meter. Question number 3. So this diagram is given. Here base, this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So in this diagram, perpendicular is given 10 meter. Hypotenuse you have to find. That means you have to use those trigonometrical ratio which relate perpendicular and hypotenuse. So that is sine. Some people have. So here we will use sine 45 degree. Theta is 45, sine 45. Now the value of sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So in place of sine 45 we will write 1 by root 2. Some people have. Perpendicular is 10 and hypotenuse is x. Now cross multiplication. 10 into root 2. 10 root 2 is equal to x into 1x. So the value of x is 10 root 2 meter. Now question number 4 you solve yourself. Now next question number 2. in each of the following figures find angle theta. Now in this question, okay, you have to find the value of theta. Now you have to find angle. So solution, first from the diagram you have to write given, okay. So here perpendicular P is given, perpendicular is given 1 centimeter, base is given √3 centimeter. You have to find theta, angle, again perpendicular and base. So we have to use tan, turns permanently black. So tan theta is equals to turns permanently black. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular is 1 and base is √3. Now you have to check for what value of theta tan is 1 by √3. So 1 by √3, tan is 1 by √3 when theta is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree is 1 by √3. So in place of this 1 by √3 you write tan 30 degree. Okay, then remove tan and tan, theta is 30 degree. So the value of theta is 30 degree. Now question number 2. Here in this diagram, see this is 90 degree and the side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Here is theta, so this is base. Now this one is perpendicular. Okay, so side opposite to 90 is always hypotenuse. Base depends on theta. Okay, so theta is here, so this is base. Now another remaining side is perpendicular. So here perpendicular and hypotenuse is given. You have to find theta. So you have to use your sign. Some people have. So sin theta is equals to P by H. Sin theta is equal to P is 5, H is 10. Cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Sin theta is half. Now you have to check for what value of theta. Sin is half. So sin is half when theta is 30 degrees. So sin 30 degree is half. So in place of half you write sin 30 degree. Remove sin theta is 30 degree. So therefore theta is equals to 30 degree. Now next question, question number 3. In the figure given below, if angle ADC is 90 degree, angle DAC is 60 degree, AB is 40 centimeter and DC is 20 √3 centimeter, find angle theta. So in this diagram, this is given 90. If this side is 90, that side will be 90 because the total angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So here we have two right angle triangle. Okay, so from this triangle, okay, from this triangle we will find this one because this line is common to both the triangles. We will try to find this side. After finding this side, we'll be able to find the value of theta. So in this triangle, here is 60 degree. We know this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is fixed, side opposite to 90. Here it is 60. So this is base now. This is perpendicular. So here you have to use perpendicular by base. You have to use tan. So tan 60 is √3, turns permanently black is equals to √3. So perpendicular is 20 √3 by AD is equal to √3. Cross multiplication, you will get this line. After that, this √3 will divide 20 √3 by √3 cancel, √3 cancel, AD is 20 centimeter. So here we got AD is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. But for this triangle, this is base now. This is base, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. Now forget about this triangle. This is perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse. So you have to use sine here. So in triangle you write this. After that sin theta is some people have. Perpendicular is 20 by 40. Hypotenuse cancel 1 by 2. So sin theta is equals to half is sin 30 degree. No, the sin 30 is half. So theta is 30 degree.